Hey guys, it's your girl Stitch by Sophie. I'm super excited to be here. I hope you guys are excited to be here. So today's video is going to be a multi-topic video because I'm going to talk about some edge control that I'm using now that's been having your girl looking snatched to the gods. I'm going to put y'all on to a ponytail that I used for my birthday, and I've been getting so many compliments on it, and y'all know I'm the kind of person, if I get put on, I'm going to put y'all on. And what else? What else am I going to talk about? I think that's it. But whatever. So first, I know my hair's looking crazy, but that's because I'm gonna do my hair in this video. So pretty much my hair's been straight for about a week now. It had some product in it, so it's kind of like sticky, but I really wanted to make this video, so I'm gonna just do just that. Listen, edge booster, this shit is different. Like, you thought you had your edges snatched before? No, listen, you could throw away your black gel, Eco Styler gel, Hicks, all that other stuff. Your I'm not even gonna name all the other edge controls. This is all you need. Now, what I do like about this is this hold will last you a week. What I don't like about it is that you can get it. Well, listen, if you try to layer on top of it, you will get residue. I'm just letting you know right now. So the best thing to do is to put a little bit of water, maybe some oil, just kind of dilute whatever's in the hair, and then you can build on top of that, or you can just simply wash your hair. But y'all know I ain't got time for that. So we're just gonna spritz my hair with a little bit of water. I just hope it don't get too puffy. I'm gonna try to keep my armpits out of the frame because your girl didn't shave all my armpits. But anyways, let me just show you my hair right now. So last week was my birthday, so I did straighten it. So this is pretty much what I'm working with right now. I'm gonna try to get all of this into a super sleek ponytail. Like I did say, this is gonna be a multi-topic video because this ponytail right here that I'm about to install into my hair was sent from the gods. Well, Amazon, same shit. Anyways, so I purchased this. I did look up kinky ponytails because I didn't want to get like a really straight textured ponytail because my hair is not really straight. It's kinky, and I did pass a flat iron through it, so I'm gonna just brush her before I show y'all so y'all don't think I bought some like raggedy ponytail. But I got her long, honey. I got a long ponytail because I wanted to be extra for my birthday once again. So what I did for my birthday was a deep side part, but I'm just gonna do a high ponytail. Look at this. You see that texture? Like, anything kinky is for me. Like this. What I will tell you about this, like, I'm gonna have the price and all the links to get this crap in my description box. But like, the only thing I can say, okay, let me show y'all the base. Now, what they did do is section off this piece for you. So this is what you're supposed to wrap around, but the way you actually install it is by rolling it. And it has some Velcro right here. And then I guess this is the part that you wrap around to kind of hide that. This ponytail is thick, bitch. And then listen, she has like a 3-tooth comb right here. So you stick that in, and then you pretty much just roll, and then you got this full voluptuous ponytail. Now, the only thing I can say I really didn't like about it is how thin the ends got. But I guess like it kind of looks a little bit more realistic versus just a really thick from the start to bottom. But who's trying to look realistic? I'm trying to look extra. So yeah, you can see how different that is. But I'm just gonna show you guys how I install this ponytail. Once again, I'm gonna have all you need to purchase in my description box. So, oh, this feels good. Give me a second, y'all. Alright, what we gonna do? Okay, I'm not even prepared. Is my armpit gonna show you? Let me put a robe on real quick. I'm back. Now, okay, so what you wanna do is pretty much start to like mold the hair into the position that you want it. Like, I'm really feeling this. Always happens when I straighten my hair or I get it to a texture that I really like. I just like playing with it. Like, I don't even want to put anything in it. Let me try to get lower so you guys can see. But anyways, I think I want my ponytail like up here. Okay, maybe not that high, maybe like right here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So using a paddle brush, I'm just gonna start to like brush my hair up to where I want her to be. Okay, I'm getting there. And there's so many other methods to getting that super bomb ponytail, but I feel like this ponytail that I purchased here is probably like the easiest. Like all that extra wrapping it around and all that other, we ain't got time. We ain't got no time. So listen, I'm gonna lightly spritz my hair because I really don't want it to revert much, but I do want to loosen it up. Okay, I think that's enough. Now we're just gonna put this baby on. So another thing about the what's it called, edge booster, is don't think you're gonna put her on your hair today and you're gonna comb through it tomorrow. Like that's just not gonna work. You're gonna have to moisten your hair or just wash it all together, because this stuff is like super, like, I don't know, thick and potent, I would say. But she gonna give you those edges you're looking for. So I didn't put it right in the beginning, because what I'm gonna do is actually just brush it in. Look at that instant sleekness. Listen, I'll put you on. Maybe not all yet, but I'll put most of y'all on. Whoever's watching this video, I'm sure I'm putting you on right now. Listen, and y'all know, like, I really could care less about the naps in the back, but just because this bitch does the job, I'm gonna throw some back here too. I'm actually using a hard brush because I want it to like brush through my hair, not just kind of like brush the surface. Okay. And what's super important about this is you want to definitely just start molding your edges the way you want it as soon as you apply this, because like I said, there's no maneuvering it after. I'm gonna try to get low for you guys. Snatched, don't I? Oh, I hope this is centered, because I'm gonna be highly upset if it's not. Okay. Okay. To me, that's good. It's good enough for me. Calm little baby hairs, like nothing crazy, you know. Calm. We're not trying too hard. Okay. Oh, here's my pony. Alright. Now, to install her, I'm just gonna smooth again the base. I'm gonna insert the comb right here and push her back, so she's secure. And then, oh, this Velcro ain't no joke. I guess that's another like thing I don't like, is that Velcro, you feel it. So you want to be very careful about placing it on your hair. Let me see. There we go. And then you can just start wrapping. What kind of hair tutorial is this? I can barely see my hair. Now, I mean, if you're going out, you definitely want to secure her with a bobby pin. What I'm just going to do now is brush through it. Now, the way this is structured, my hair is like right here. You guys see it? So it kind of like overlaps and adds some more body to it. Okay, I'm gonna have to like bring my camera up so y'all get the full effect. So give me a second, guys. Okay, here we go. Oh, let me tuck my hair in again. Yeah, so peeking through. But this is pretty much the finished product with this ponytail I'm super obsessed with. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was super quick and easy. I'm feeling my ponytail right now, so I'm about to go take some pictures. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below or email me, text me, DM me, however you feel is the best way for you to contact me. I respond to all outlets. I'm feeling myself right now. So I'm about to go play with my hair. See you guys next week.